In this video, I'll talk about why it's important to have a large image sensor when looking for small details. Seeing small details requires a very small GSD or ground sampling distance. GSD is a term specifying the size of the individual pixels on the target object. A smaller GSD will in general improve the confidence for both human eye and AI-based inspections. There will simply be more pixels available to detect and classify the defects reliably. With a given camera, a smaller GSD can simply be achieved by getting closer, or if possible by choosing a different lens or zooming in. However, in many practical applications, getting close enough is maybe not allowed or involves too much risk. The smaller the GSD, the smaller the area covered by each image. So for very detailed inspections, requiring a very small GSD, it will take a lot of images to cover a large asset. Capturing a lot of images per asset will make it difficult to achieve a scalable productivity. It will take a lot of time per asset and require much more complex flight planning. The resulting dataset will be cumbersome and difficult to analyze due to the large number of images and many and more complex overlaps. To overcome this challenge, a camera with a large and high-resolution sensor can be used. Capturing many more pixels in each image will reduce the total number of images required and drastically boost the productivity. Using a large, high-resolution sensor will not result in a larger dataset, as the entire asset has to be covered with a specific GSD that defines the total number of pixels needed. With a higher resolution sensor, all these pixels will simply be captured in fewer images. Our Phase 1 P3 inspection payload has been developed specifically to address these challenges and to capture the smallest details from the furthest distance of the largest areas.